Okay viewers, let us begin by unboxing this portable hard disk that is in front of us. Let's take off the product from its packaging initially and see how it looks from within. So I am neatly cutting open the seal of the packaging. And let's see what is the contents of the package. Okay, you will see here that it comes in a neat pack and the product being neatly placed with all its required materials that can be read with regard to the product. Also, it comes with the required USB cable. It basically comes with a Type-C to Type-C cable and an adapter. This is Type-C to Type-C cable and an adapter that is Type-A, which can be connected to one end of the cable or the end to convert it to Type-A USB, and this can be after connecting can be plugged into the computer. However, if your computer supports Type-C port, you can continue to use this cable by itself. But if your computer is an older model one, it would require Type-A. So thankfully, this product comes with an adapter that can be connected to either of the ends and convert that end to Type-A USB. It's a very thought out system where the cable can remain as Type-C and also be converted to Type-A. So going forward, this is how the portable hard disk looks like. Feels good in the hands, nice and very beautiful construction being done here, and feels very good to touch. In the continuing video, we will be opening this further and looking into the features of the product. Okay viewers, as part of the continuing process for unboxing this SanDisk portable hard disk, we will be taking off the protective sleeve of the hard disk. We will be just slipping it off the hard disk, the protective seal that comes along with the hard disk, and there is a protective sleeve which we'll take off for the connectors also. Okay, so we will be using this hard disk today and testing it out and checking to see if it lives up to what it claims on the packaging. This brand is pretty good, so I have full confidence in this brand. And also, if you notice the hard disk on its own, it is a pure beauty. The hard disk comes in a very beautifully built portfolio. It is something we can easily carry around. It's light in weight. Its construction materials are pretty sturdy. A little bit of anti-scratch resistance being provided in the front of the hard disk, and of course the behind is rubber, possibly to reduce slippage while in operations. Overall, the hard disk with its dual color combo looks pretty beautiful and sleek, good to the touch. And let's see how it performs as we use it for our data transfer today. And we will be talking about the performance of this hard disk during the operations. Okay viewers, now as part of the unboxing and product checking process, you will see that I have connected the SanDisk Extreme portable hard drive, which is 500 GB of capacity, to the laptop. You will also note that this SanDisk hard drive comes with a Type-C connector, and it's a good thing it comes with Type-C, so it enables faster read and write speeds. And you will also come to know that this SanDisk hard disk provides a cable that enables you to change one end, which is the end that you connect to the PC or any other device. This end can be switched between Type-C and Type-A. There is a connector that SanDisk provides that is very thoughtful from their side, which you can use to switch between connectivity of Type-C to Type-A. So for older laptops where Type-A is required, you can use this connector and connect it, while the newer laptops that support Type-C, you can always just use the cable that is provided. So you have this side which is Type-C, and now this side, because this laptop thankfully uses or has a Type-C connector, we have just used the cable directly. Now if you are using for older laptops, just make sure that you use this connector or adapter, plug it in, and then plug it into the USB port that you see on the older laptops. Okay, so now let's go about and see what is the performance of this drive. Okay viewers, now you will see that the data transfer process is ongoing and data is being copied from the customer's hard disk over here, which had a corrupt operating system, and data is being extracted from this hard disk and then being copied to this SanDisk Extreme hard drive, portable external hard drive. And from the data transfer, I will not be talking about any metrics today, but from the data transfer speeds, you can see that it is pretty decent. I will be sharing the other drive, external drive parameters later on, but as of now you will see that this drive's performance is pretty decent, and this drive is a much recommended buy. ITPKwt approves of this portable SanDisk Extreme drive and recommends it as a good buy for any user that can afford to use this drive. So go ahead and check out this drive for all those who would like to keep their valuable data secure and safe, and also at the same time want to have the process very seamless and on a location or a medium that can be trusted by its name and its endurance. So hope you liked this unboxing video as much as I enjoyed creating it, and hope to see you in another product unboxing video in the near future.